Introduce highlight features or overview summary for PEAKCLOUDS, Christmas and Halloween projector lights outdoor holiday decoration. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 11 dynamic slides for year-round celebrations. Enjoy versatile holiday projections including Christmas projection lights outdoor, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and birthday themes. This outdoor Christmas projector creates immersive atmospheres for gardens, parties, and indoor gatherings. No need for repetitive physical decorations. IP65 waterproof and all-weather. Durability. Designed as reliable outdoor Christmas projector lights, this unit features rugged ABS construction that withstands rain, snow, and heat, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Use stakes for lawns, clamps for walls, or bases indoors, perfect as holiday outdoor projector for patios, yards, and living spaces. Convenient RF remote and energy-saving timers, effortlessly control your Christmas outdoor light projector from up to 50 feet. Adjust motion speed, dynamic, twinkle, static modes, and set 2H, 4H, 6H, auto-off timers. Saves energy compared to traditional string lights, ideal for Christmas projector lights indoor and outdoor use. Vivid HD imagery with expansive coverage. Experience bright, non-fading projector Christmas lights that cover up to 538 square feet. Optimize clarity at 12 to 16 feet distances, works great as outdoor Christmas lights projector or Christmas light projector indoor. Quick setup and flexible indoor/outdoor use. Get your holiday light projector running in under 60 seconds. Includes ground stakes, wall mounts, and bases. No tools or ladders required. Ideal as outdoor projector lights for Christmas displays, Halloween projections, or indoor birthday ambience. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases. Update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.